Now let's talk about the years of depression in Germany and in the world. Actually, when the Americans bailed them out by the Davos plan, the 1924 to 28 saw some stability in Germany, but it was very short time relief, because when the Wall Street exchange crashed in America in 1929, Americans withdrew their support from the Germans. That is, their economy again started dwindling. On 24th October in America, it was 13 million shares were sold out. That means that was the beginning of the great economic depression in the world, because the people had started fearing that now the depression had actually crept in. The US economy was badly shattered, and here the people took a lot of time to revive back. In Germany, the youth actually faced most of the problem. They were unemployed. They used to stand in queues and wait for a job in the employment exchange, and sometimes they even took up to criminal activities. The salaried class, which could actually sail in for few years because of this saving, had the fear of proletarialization. That is, they felt that they will slowly be reduced to the stage of becoming a workers' class. The Weimar Republic was very fragile, we have already seen, and here it was that actually it also had some other defects, inherent ones, which we have to understand. It did not have proportional representation. That is, at this time in Germany, one party did not achieve the required number of seats. So, it was always a coalition. And Article 48 of the Constitution gave immense power to the President, and he could impose emergency at any point. Well, this actually means that the people who had already lost confidence in the Weimar Republic because of the signing of the Treaty of Versailles felt that it was a useless government. Now let's talk about Hitler. Hitler was born in Austria in the year 1889. He joined the German army as a corporal, and because of his bravery he won a lot of medals, and then he formed the Nazi party. He tried to gain power in Germany but was not successful. It is only when the economic depression crept in Germany that there started the rise of Hitler. In the 1932 elections of the Reichstag, the Nazi party became the largest party who had won the seats, and Hitler is actually an excellent orator who could infuse into the masses the feelings that he had been carrying, the feeling of taking revenge from the world, the feeling of nationalism, the feeling of the country looking for a strong government. The people would get swayed by his words, and he could actually have a large mass following. He started with new methods to actually influence people. There used to be large rallies, and he was considered a Masiha.